News aba oh, news aba. There is news and there is gist. Hey, today's gist. I'm sure you are ready to hear all the details. I'm sure you are already itching. What is the news? What is the news? That is why we are here. Hey, let's just jump right into this news as it dey hot. Hello gist partners, news aba oh, news aba. There is news and there is gist. Today there is news, today there is gist. In fact, Ghana is really advancing. I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to begin. Anyway guys, before we start this video, please try to check Sandy's Joyful Space, my other channel. Like the things that are going on there, you don't want to miss it. You will laugh and you will have fun. In fact, you are learning and you are laughing. Hey, you don't want to miss. I said what? You don't want to miss. Thank you very much. Back to the news. Today's news, dear. Anyway, make sure you watch this news to the end so that you don't miss any details. You don't miss any part. Let's just jump right into the news as it dey hot. Police fights crime with dogs. Oh, I don't even like that flow. Let me take it one more time. Police fights crime with dogs. You will ask me, which police? What are they fighting? What are they doing? Anyway, let's continue so that we hear the details. The Ghana police, as part of its proactive preventive policing strategy aimed at combating crimes across the country, has commenced the use of trained dogs on the principal streets of Accra. The highly trained security dogs will be strategically positioned across the capital for operational patrols, which are being carried by the K9 unit of the Ghana Police Service with renewed energy. The police, in a Facebook post, noted this component of policing is aimed at increasing the visibility of personnel, improving intelligence gathering, tracking contraband goods, and improving upon other aspects of criminal investigations. According to the police, plans are on the way to extend this component of police visibility to other regions. The police said, "We shall continue to pursue multiple security and visibility models to increase our interactions with the public and aggressively fight crime in our communities." Ghana for this one dear. Hey my people, as I heard this news, I say I have to bring it to my gist partners. Like guys, this is a very good idea. This is a very good plan. I just love this idea because right now we need this. In fact, every African country need this. I know that some African countries have incorporated this into their system, but I'm so happy that Ghana has also taken this initiative, and I pray that it actually works well and they're able to expand to other regions. Even in Europe, outside the country, they use this method and it always works because dogs are very highly intelligent and sensitive. Like their brain no be here, e dey sharp, e dey open well. Anyway, I've not physically seen where they use these dogs to, fight crime and all that. But I've seen it in movies. Charlie, I dey watch movies, so I see it a lot in American movies, foreign movies. How they use dogs to, fight crime. They really train these dogs. Like the training is not here. These dogs are highly intelligent. They are very smart. They even use them in the airport. Yes, they use them in the airport to catch, contraband goods and all that. Guys, this is a very good plan. I hope they can, incorporate it in other regions and, other areas like the airport I just mentioned. This is a very good idea. I really love it because we have to really fight crime. That peace that is in Ghana, nobody will come and disturb it. If they say they want to come and disturb the peace in Ghana, they lie bad. We are ready for them. We all are ready for them. Like Operation You Cannot Disturb the Peace in Ghana. If you know that you are a foreigner or even a Ghanaian and you want to disturb the peace in Ghana, like we will disturb you. We will disturb you. You see these dogs, you see the way they are charged. You see the way they are being trained. There's nothing you can hide. You cannot hide anything from these dogs. Anything you think you hide, if you like, hide it inside the inside of the inside of the inside of the inside of the inside. They will see it, they will fish it out, they will bring it out, and in fact, whatever you have hidden, be it anything, guys, they are ready to fish it out. So let's assume they're looking for someone. If they can get the scent of the person, like a shirt or something, and this dog can perceive it, they can actually trace the person in a multitude of crowd or in anywhere, like these dogs will go and fetch you out. So if you think you want to hide, oh yeah, no, hide very well. Hey, you lie bad. You do what? You lie bad. This idea is just sweeting my body because some of this news I'm hearing happening in Ghana. I've been worried. I say, Aden, what's going on? Our peaceful Ghana, they should not come and spoil it for us. So, hey God, what are we going to do? When I saw this news, I said, we need this. We need it well. So me, I'm excited though. In fact, na me dey front. I am really impressed by this new strategy. Look at the way the dog is sniffing the car. Do you see what the dog is doing? He's searching for anything, like if there's anything like this inside the car, don't even think twice. The dog will see it, bring it out. Hey, so if the driver knows that there's something inside there, he will be shaking there, he will be breathing. And trust me, this dog will look for it, bring it out. Oh, in fact, this thing is just sweeting me. Like, I'm excited. Every African country should think of how to incorporate this strategy. I also pray that this is like, quite functional. Not just, saying it and all that. They should really train these dogs very well. Train them well. So guys, as I heard this news, I say, I have to bring it to my gist partners. I cannot hear this one alone. So if you have watched to this point, I say thank you very much. And if you're on this channel, you have not yet subscribed, I am begging you. Please just help me hit that subscribe button and hit notification bell. Let it do background so that anytime there is news like this, nobody will tell you. You will hear with your ear. You will see with your eyes that news about. There is news and there is gist. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you all. Bye.